Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about setting your car for driving on a rainy day. Now, I am not talking about how to drive on a rainy day. This video is not all about how to drive on a rainy day. Okay, this video is all about how to set your car, how to prepare your car if it's raining. Because if it's raining, there are a few things you need to consider to set your car so that you are ready, your car is ready to drive on a rainy day. Okay, so let me repeat, this video is not all about how to drive on a rainy day. Rather, it is about preparing your car, setting your car so that you are ready, your car is ready to drive on a rainy day. In the test, it could be raining. If it's raining, you need to consider a few things to drive on a rainy day. So these are the things I'm going to cover in this video to prepare your car, to set your car so it's ready to drive on a rainy day. Let's start the lesson. Number one is the wipers. Okay, now I'm not going to show you in my car where the wipers are, because in the end you will have to learn in your car how to use the wipers. Okay, now if it's raining, you need to know how to use the wipers, the front one and the back one. In your car, make sure you know how to put the wipers on. There are levels of wipers. You could use slow one, medium slow, and the fast one, depending on how much raining on the day. Okay, so make sure you know how to use your wipers in the car that you are driving, especially in the test. On the test, if you don't know how to use the wipers, you are going to be in trouble because you'll be fiddling how to use, and that's going to distract your driving. So make sure you know how to use the wipers in your car. Number two, you need to consider when you're driving on the rainy day is use your dipped headlights or side lights. Okay, why? Because if it's raining, the day's dark, also people can't see you from far away. So for people to see you, you put the dipped headlights or the side lights. Now remember, you don't put the lights on for you because it's not for you, it is for others to see you from far away. So when you put the lights on, the dipped headlights, what happens? People from far away, other drivers could see your car from distance. And this is the reason why you put the dipped headlights on or the side lights on. Okay, so make sure you know how to put the dipped headlights in your car. And number three is for you to know how to use your heating system. When it's raining, what happens? Your window gets misty. Your window becomes steamy. It becomes misty. Therefore, you need to know how to use this system, the heating system of your car. You need to blow air to the windows so that it becomes clear. Your window becomes clear and there's no steam or misty. And like I said, I am not showing all those things in my car. You need to learn all those in your car. So make sure you know how to blow air to the windows. Ask your driving instructor to teach you how to use the heating system. So when you go to your test, you know how to use those. You know how to keep your window nice and clean and clear. So these are the things you need to consider when you are driving on a rainy day. Okay, and like I said before, this video is not all about driving on a rainy day. I'm just giving you a few things so that you are ready, your car is ready, you are prepared, your car is set for you to drive on a rainy day. Okay, and just to conclude, number one is to consider how to use the wipers. Number two is to know how to put the dipped headlights on or the side lights on for the others to see you from far away. And number three is to know how to use your heating system to blow air to the window so that it keeps your window clean and clear and it's not steamy. On your test day, it could be raining. And even if it's not test day, after you pass your test, you need to learn all those things in your car because it will be raining every now and again when you are driving. And when it is raining, you need to make sure that you know all those things. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.